Hey, how you doing? It's your boy Burn. We're back at it with the part two of testing the RC gears. Today we're going to be doing the PETG, the AESA, and the Nylon. So, without further ado, let's get into it.
So here we have the PETG gear. Uh-oh. I don't think something's tightened up right. Okay, let's try this again. My slipper clutch wasn't fully tightened, so it was too loose. But let's wow, was that instantaneous? That doesn't seem right for PETG, but hey, whatever. Let's take a look. Okay, so here is the result of the PETG. And you can see it actually got a little hot and melted the holes where the screw goes through. And we have some layer separation issues right there. And teeth just shredded off. So now it's time to move on to ASA. Alright, here we go with the ASA now. Let's see how this works out. So far so good, not going right away. Uh-oh. Let's get this flipped over and let's keep rolling. Oh man, come on. Oh, it landed. Uh-oh. That's it. Not too bad, not too bad. Did last quite a while, but once again, reevaluate. Okay, so here's our ASA gear, and you can see half of the teeth ripped off. Whenever I was taking it apart, I did notice that my pinion gear actually came loose. So I'm gonna go ahead and test the nylon one anyways, and I'm more likely gonna reprint the ASA one and give that another shot. But yeah, I mean, it's just weird. I would only ate up half of it. Anyways, let's move on to the nylon. All right, now we have the nylon. Last one. We'll see how this holds up. Pretty hard braking there. Hard acceleration. I feel like my slipper clutch is still slipping. However, I am going to leave it for the time being. Just that way we can keep testing this gear, even if the slipper clutch is going. Uh-oh. There we go. Wow, so far so good. Uh-oh. And there it is. Wow. That one actually lasted quite a while. And for the last time, let's evaluate. All right, now for the last and final gear, the nylon. And as we can see here,
Unfortunately, like most of the gears, the teeth just kind of shredded apart. I had really high hopes for this nylon, considering that a majority of parts are made out of nylon on RC cars. Unfortunately, they are composite material, so it's not just straight nylon. But, I mean, it did last the longest, so it had that going for it. But unfortunately, just like the rest, the teeth did shred off. And finally, let's just give a quick overview of all 6 gears. So the PLA, broken teeth, the resin, broken teeth, the TPU melted the teeth off, went flat. PETG, we rounded out the holes for the slipper clutch and also melted the teeth. ASA, we melted the teeth on the sides because of a loose pinion gear. But even then, I still feel like this would have lasted about the same amount of time that it did. And finally, nylon, teeth just destroyed. So there's all 6 gears right there. And that's the end of part 2. We tested all 6 gears, and unfortunately, all of them failed in pretty much the same way. Some did last longer than others, but they all did fail and didn't last as long as a stock replacement gear. Now, that is just kind of the entry to, the kind of specialty filaments, which those are not specialty in the sense of it's just plain ASA, plain nylon. If you would like for me to go and also test out like glass filled nylon, carbon filled PLA, carbon filled PETG, stuff like that, let me know. If this video gets like at least 100 likes, I will definitely go out, purchase those, and give those a shot as well to see how those also stack up. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.